Welcome to Lutong Bahay with Nanay. Today we are going to cook some spicy chicken with cauliflower. So right now yung ginagawa natin is yung garlic. Kaka-chop lang siya and nilagay na natin siya sa pan. It's smelling nice with just the garlic. Alright, now we're putting in the chicken. Mga how many minutes to? 5
minutes around the brown.
Okay. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes and then make sure to turn it over until mag-brown siya. Okay, so now we're putting in the sauce. Paano Nanay nagawa tong sauce niya?
Just soy sauce, oyster sauce, and chili oil.
Those 3 lang?
Yeah, and some sugar.
Okay.
Because last time it wasn't spicy enough, and you guys were consuming. So I put
Double the spiciness.
the amount of chili.
So everybody, if you notice here, other days, nakagamit mo din tayo ng cauliflower and chicken. You can mix and match a lot of the food.
What vegetable you have left in the fridge?
Yeah, these are just the remaining vegetables sa refrigerator. So, kayo din, kung ano yung mahanap nyo, just be creative. And you can make a lot of different food from it already. And there you have it. Is this almost finished? Is this finished already? There you have it. Chicken with cauliflower. Ready for eating. Now that we're done, we're putting it in the...
Uh-oh.
Spicy chicken with cauliflower.